Today I'll be demonstrating how we replace our microfilters on a 2017 X5. In order to access our microfilters, we just have to get this trim piece right on top loose and just pop it up. And then we have a tab right here that will actually have our trim completely off. Our microfilters are located right underneath our trim. We just have one little tab right here that will actually just pop them off. As you can see, our microfilters collect a lot of dust and particles inside of here. The advantage of these microfilters compared to other ones is they don't only protect from sand, dust, and particulates, they also protect from harmful odors. So in order to get our filters out, we just have these two tabs that we just pop up on both sides, and then our filters come out. Before putting in the new filters, we like to spray the housing and the access point with some disinfectant spray, and this protects from harmful odors entering into your vehicle itself. And we'll take our new filters. Our new vehicles actually have a system designed to neutralize all the harmful odors before they enter into the vehicle. So we'll just snap in the new filters, and then we'll just put our trim back in. So we'll just actually slide it back, and it'll just snap right into place. Then we'll take our trim, back as well, and snap that in as well. Thank you for watching.